So here's the brand new TBXC photo booth. We have it in black, and we also have it in white. This is what it looks like in black. Then you have a little remote here. You could change the different modes if you want to do different colors. This is it. That's the manual tilt. So if you turn it this way, the camera platform back there is actually lowering. I don't know if you could see that. And if I turn it the other way, this way, you can see that it's actually going a little bit higher. So if you're ever dealing with any little kids or any really tall adults, really easy to adjust. This is where if you decide to go with the bounce flash, the flash will bounce up here off of that and then to the customer. And then there's a little flash rod hole for those of you that want to do the external flash, kind of like the way I have this one set up. Just have the flash rod right here at the bottom attached to the flash, and then this is what would happen. So I'd press that, it would bounce off of that back over here. So we can actually test it out to see what it looks like. Okay, here we go. And 3, 2, 1. Bounces. I'll show you what the quality looks like. Pretty good. Try that again. Pretty cool. Three, two, one. Quality's still pretty good, even if I stand back. Now if I stand closer, I could also do black and white. So it looks pretty good. So no matter what, the quality of the photo is going to come out really clear as long as you have a flash. Then also gives you the option to email and text. So I'm going to text it to myself. Send. And that's where you can customize a message, so you can have it say like, "Thank you for using Treasure Booth. Please exit to receive your prints." You can have that say that. And then if you have the printer connected, it will shoot out your prints right here, and normally they'll just drop right here and then they'll come out. So you have your external printer stand too as well, in case if you don't want to put it on top of your prop table. So yeah, just wanted to show you what this looked like and actually demo it out live. You can actually see it, not like the other video. And then the inside looks kind of chaotic in here, but everything's tie wrapped on the inside. You could see USB hub. These are extra cables. This is for the flash. So you can kind of use zip ties to kind of organize everything, but all the cables go down there, and you could either have it one come out this hole here or at the bottom. There's actually another one down here, so whatever's more convenient for you guys, you can set that up. And that's pretty much it. So I just wanted to show you guys the full demo of that, and then showing you our other models over here. And then the way the protector works, this, you just bring this down, and just like that, it'll protect your camera and your tablet. And then this guy right here, this is going to be the case for it. So there's an extra sheet on top. This is normally where the base plate goes on top. And then these two stands are actually these right here, so that will go in here. And then down here, this is where this headpiece is actually going to go to. And then right here is just like extra room for like the flash, or like a roll of paper, or your extension cord, whatever you'd like, whatever you guys want to do. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And then this thing does come with locks. It does have a handle, does have wheels. pretty easy to move around. And this I can actually fit 2 of these with that printer case. I could fit 2 systems inside of my Prius C, which is the smaller versions of the Priuses. I don't know if you guys seen those around, but yeah, I could fit 2 of those, so I can technically do 2 events with my Prius. So if you guys have small cars, you know, it's easily able to fit in any car. So yeah, check out our links down below in our description. That way you can kind of take a look at the, you know, what's supposed to go in there and how to build it and all of that. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please like, subscribe to our videos. You'll see a bunch of different videos that are being posted by us. We'll try to do it weekly, but we'll see what happens. If you guys need anything, a video on anything specific, please just comment below. Thanks guys, we'll see you later.